Hey guys! So here's the news. I'm doing a 30-day vacation trip to Uttarakhand. Yes, I'm going to be in Uttarakhand for one whole month. This is a vacation trip, so I'll be doing my office work along with maybe going out in the evening and also over the weekend. So the plan is that for most part of our trip, I'll be staying in Rishikesh, and during the weekends and all, we'll be going to places nearby. So the first weekend we planned for Mussoorie trip, and after that we might go to Oli for one of the weekends. So yes, I'm super excited. This is the first time I'm doing such a long trip to any place, and I think vacation will be fun. I'm at Mumbai airport right now, and yes, Mumbai airport after a whole year. Look at this. It looks exactly the same, though there are a couple of stores that are shut. So there are four of us who are traveling for the trip. I have four other friends जिनके साथ मैं ट्रिप पे जा रही हूँ. उनमें से एक जो है मेरे साथ वो throughout the end, which is the whole month, is going to be staying with me, which is Misha. And the other two friends are going to be returning after a week. Misha! Here! Hello! Kitne time baad?
I know, almost a year.
Yes. How are you feeling? Excited. So the plan is that we've booked two hostels, out of which the first one is Shillong, where we'll be staying for the first 2 weeks, and 2 weeks later to that we'll be staying in the other hostel called Bunk Stay. Bunk Stay is actually a hostel which is recommended by a friend, and he really liked Bunk Stay, so we thought why not check it out. And also we checked out their Instagram page. They're super active over there, so I think I'm really excited for Bunk Stay. So we are finally in Rishikesh. We landed at Dehradun airport around an hour back. We've just checked into our hostel and we were really hungry, so we've come to have some breakfast at a cafe which is very close to our hostel, Cafe Tat. And the view from the cafe is another level, and you need to see it.
Shining on a cloudy day, and it don't matter what you say. Cause even if the sky is falling, I'ma do it anyway. So save your worries, slide your loving. I can feel that good things coming. Finally believe that it's gonna be a bright one here.
That's Heli and Apurva.
There's nothing wrong on the horizon, but I'm always in my own head. Yeah, I was getting tired of trying, forgetting every word that I said in all those old.
In case you guys are also planning to come to the Dehradun airport, Ola Uber लेने का कोशिश मत करना क्योंकि वो काफ़ी महंगा पड़ेगा. The local taxis over there are way more cheaper. Ola Uber will cost you around 1200 to only drive down for like half an hour to Rishikesh, and the local taxi जो आपको airport के बाहर मिल जाएगी, that will cost you around 700. So that's a better option to go for. The plan for today is that we've relaxed a little, and it's a Sunday, so we'll be attending the evening aarti. And after that there are live sessions which happen in a nearby cafe, so we'll be going there, and also a live session will be happening in the hostel where we are staying. So yes, we'll be attending all of those, and then the work day starts from tomorrow. हमारा जो हॉस्टल है वो लक्ष्मण झूला पे है, एंड लक्ष्मण झूला से त्रिवेणी घाट तक जाने के लिए आपको टुक टुक मिल जाएगी जो आपको 10 रुपीज़ शेयरिंग पे अवेलेबल है. बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड आजकल मॉर्निंग आरतीज नहीं होती है. ऋषिकेश में आरतियाँ दो जगह पे होती है, एक है त्रिवेणी घाट और दूसरा है परमार्थ निकेतन. ये त्रिवेणी घाट है और यहाँ पे आरती यूजुअली 6:30 से 7 के बीच में हो जाती है.
Shining on a cloudy
आरती अटेंड करके अब हम आ गए हैं कैफे टुक टुक.
Cause even if the sky is falling, I'ma do it anyway. So save your worries, slide your loving. I can feel that good things coming. Finally believe that it's gonna be a bright one here. Shining on a cloudy day, and it don't matter what you say. Cause even if the world is